Hello everybody, today we make a pasta and peas. And we're gonna start to go on the stove and we start to do everything what you need for pasta and peas. Okay, let's put the gas on this pot over here and let's put little oil. Not too much oil, I gotta do the pancetta. The pancetta already it's a little fat. I got my wood spoon, gonna scratch my pots. And let's start with the pancetta. And this look a beautiful pancetta. Now I use pancetta. You can use bacon or guanciale. I like the guanciale. It's really good. But it's really hard to find the guanciale. Okay, now this it's already cooked a little bit. Now we go with the garlic and onion. Oh, really good smell now. Okay, we got a flake of hot pepper, and now it's the time of the peas. Now this is a fresh piece, no frozen, fresh. And we saute now the peas together with the pancetta, garlic, and onion, and the flake of hot pepper. Okay, now it's time for the tomato. Look how beautiful little plum tomato. This is really good. When I was at Orsari in Italy, my father used to plant all the time the little one and the big one. But look at this. Look how beautiful. Really nice. Okay, it's almost the time to put the pasta. Let's put salt. 1, 2, and 3. It's a 3 teaspoons, not tablespoon, okay? And we put little salt right over here, gamma right over here now. For the peas and the sauce, everything. And this is enough. And for the peas and the sauce over here, we need a little black pepper. Okay. Let's do nice mix. And look at this, how beautiful looking at this piece. Look how nice green. When you buy fresh, it's much better. Time of the pasta. This is a mixed pasta. Okay. This kind of the pasta, in my city, we talk the dialect, we call it I minuti. This minuti, you gotta cook this by 8 minutes. Questo minuto qua, you know wanna go, but, hey, oh, it wasn't good, okay. Okay, pasta ready, and let's take out. And we put right over here with the peas and the sauce. Got this after I cook a couple of more minutes together. I wanted to taste really good. Look how beautiful. All right, let's put it back on the flame. Now it comes the time. Okay, everybody say, Pasquale, watch. No put the pasta on the floor. Now, so you need more water, you can pick it up for the water pasta. But, so you drain the pasta and you don't keep the water, and you need the water, make sure to keep a little water on the side. Okay, now we put it over here. That's what I say. See, you need a little more water. I put 1 and 2 scoops. And put it back. We leave it cook a little bit more, like this. You see the water I pour, it looks so beautiful. Okay. It's a delicious way the one you eat. But not for you, for me. That's it. Okay, ready done. And now it's time to taste. Let's taste. Oh, look how nice. Now, little pecorino cheese on the top. The peas, the pasta, and the cheese, everything is delicious. Really good. I hope somebody make this dish like this and you let me know. Thank you. Thank you, and we see next time.